In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move images in Google Docs. If you've ever inserted a picture into a document and felt like it was stuck in one place, don't worry. Google Docs makes it easy to reposition images, but you do need to change one setting first so the image can move more freely on the page. To begin, open your Google Doc and make sure the image you want to move is already in the document. This is important because the controls you need only appear once the image is inserted and selected. If your image is already visible in the document, you're ready for the next step. Now, click directly on the image. As soon as you do that, Google Docs will highlight it and show a small row of formatting options underneath the image. This toolbar gives you different ways to control how the image behaves in relation to the text around it. If you don't see the options right away, just make sure the image is definitely selected by clicking it once again. Next, look for the wrap text option. It appears as the second option in the row of image formatting choices below the picture. Go ahead and click that. This step is the key to being able to move your image more naturally around the document. Without changing the setting, the image may behave like it's locked into the text line, which makes repositioning much more limited. Once wrap text is enabled, click and drag the image to move it wherever you want on the page. You can place it higher, lower, or beside text depending on how you want your document to look. As you drag, take your time and watch how the surrounding text adjusts. This helps you place the image in a clean and readable spot. If the image doesn't land exactly where you want on the first try, that's completely normal. Just click and drag it again until it looks right. Small adjustments can make a big difference, especially if you're trying to make the layout look professional or balanced. And that's it. To move an image in Google Docs, open your document, click the image, select wrap text, and then drag the image into position. It's a simple process once you know where that setting is, and it gives you much more control over the look of your document. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.